gonna do a tutorial on how I do my dip nails. Most of the stuff that I got here is typically from Amazon or a nail supply store. You can find one by just Googling on like Google Maps, like nail supply store. I'm sure you'll find one. I got this kit, which pretty much, ignore my thumb, it broke. It pretty much has all the tools that I'll need. Some acetone, you'll need acetone, got that from Charge. Got this cuticle oil, it's from Amazon. This is the brand. I'm heavy on the OPI, so I have a bunch of their dips. I have Kiara Sky dips. These are the tools you're gonna need to actually put your dip on. You have your pH bond, your base, all by Gelish, and your activator. I use a Melly, I don't know if I'm saying that right. I use their top coat. I also have their base coat for when I do my toes. Got that from Amazon. Got this from the nail supply store. I got my drill from Amazon. The brand is Fancy. Underneath has like different tools you need, and it actually has like a UV light. Like if you turn this upside down to put your nail under. But okay, so when you have dip on your nails, I typically take this, and I need a new cover for this, but I'll take the tip of this and put it on, and then I'll like file down my nail a little bit. Then get your foil, some cotton, your acetone,
My name.
All right, so next I'll like squeeze and pull.
I am your honors English teacher.
If it don't come off, then you might have need to leave it longer, or you can like use a file to like get it off. Now we gonna file them. I filed my nails. Undress them a little bit. Now, I usually do it twice. Today we are doing OPI, Susie Chase's Portuguese, and it's like a lavenderish, like a very light lavender, like a white lavender, I would say, based on what I've seen in the Google pictures. This is actually my first time putting it on me. Oh, snaps. All right, so something I learned while watching Kimmy do my nails is when you do your initial base coat, got our Gelish base coat, and you don't use a regular base coat like you would for your like gel nail, is don't go all the way to the bottom. If you go all the way to your cuticle, like it makes it harder to make it look natural, like the nail's like coming out rather than just a hunk of nail on your finger. So I'll go close. Make sure you're painting your nail. My thumb broke literally yesterday, and I'm like doing my nails today. Ain't that something? So see, I didn't get the bottom. Oh, the camera angle's right. And then you're gonna dip your nail in. Shake it off. All right. And keep going. Alright, y'all see? And then you're gonna dust off any excess powder. And then you have a brush. I use this makeup brush that I like never used. You're gonna do it a second time. We're gonna do a third time. All right, so now we're gonna put our activator to make sure it hardens. And this is like super liquidy, similar to the pH bond, like it's almost like water. It's not like a sticky paint. And I like to do it twice just to make sure. We back, both is done. So normally people will take the drill and smooth this out. I don't know if it's because I need stronger batteries or it's this drill, but I don't feel like it's strong enough. I feel like if I do it this way, it's slow. And I feel like I have more control with a nail file. I know that's not typical, but if you have a drill, a good drill, you can use a drill to smooth your nail out. But I don't do that. I'm always making my life complicated anyway, so. I use a nail file. No, it sounds crazy. But I legitimately, since they're pretty much already smooth, I just take a nail file and make them smoother. And I still file, remember how I had the bottom, like how I taught you how to paint the bottom? I still file from that bottom part, just not as much. So basically I'm filing my nail from the bottom portion up. And I'm making sure it's smooth. And if you painted with precision, it shouldn't take that much filing. For me, I'm not as good with my left hand, so I might file for like a little bit longer to get my nails smooth like I would want it to be. But that's basically what I'm gonna do, is file from the bottom and then mostly file the mid on the top. Don't file too much on the bottom because remember, you only did technically 2 coats because that first coat, you didn't go all the way down. Yes, and then we got a smooth nail and we're gonna do that to the rest. Look how smooth that is. So we gonna put, ignore these 2 nails because these 2 nails are some hoes, but we gonna put some, a clear top coat. All right, y'all, the finishing touch. I like this top coat, Amelie, if I'm saying it right, that I got from Amazon because it's the no wipe off. Like I don't have to wipe it off after. Oh, this color is all that. And I like to do 60 seconds. We gonna wait. We gonna do the other hand. We're gonna put our cuticle oil on. I'm gonna go get ready for the day. I'll put the links of everything you need. Prep wise, remember I got my my dips from Nail Supply Store, so you just gotta Google that for yourself. But everything else that I got online, I'll put the links. I'll put the links up